Hi, my name is Kirsten and I am the teacher.
Hi, my name is Owen and I am the athlete.
Powerlifting skill. Squat.
In this video, we are going to be exploring the powerlifting skill of a back squat. All of the equipment that we use in this video, apart from our pre-teaching materials, are any that you would find in a typical gym.
Use a tactile diagram to demonstrate the movement.
All of the information on the tactile diagram has been made accessible with large print or braille according to the student's reading medium. Owen and I are going to check it out now. Okay, Owen, our athlete starts with their feet shoulder width apart. Their left toe is pointed a little bit out to the left and their right toe is pointed a little bit out to the right. It's a back squat, so the bar is resting right across his shoulder blades, and he has his shoulder blades pinched together to create a little shelf for the bar. Then he's going to sit his hips back and bend his knees, pointing his right knee out to his right toe and left knee out to his left toe. And once he's in a squat position with his knees bent at least at a 90-degree angle or lower, he is going to stand straight back up, pushing straight into the floor, keeping his chest up the entire time till he is in the start position.
Use an artist's figurine with the athlete to demonstrate the movement.
So our athlete's starting with his feet shoulder width apart and his right and left toes are pointed out a little bit to the left and the right respectively. The bar is going to be resting right across his shoulders, and he's holding on to the bar, so it's resting right across his shoulders if you want to feel that really quick. And now we're going to focus on the legs. So he's going to sit back like he's sitting in a chair, so hips back and then knees bend, and feel how he's now at a 90-degree angle in bend in his knees. And then once he's there, he's going to stand straight back up.
Use tactile modeling to demonstrate the movement.
So I have my shoulder blades pinched together, and you can feel how on my back the bar is resting on that little shelf. It's not on my neck, it's resting on the little shelf that my shoulder blades have created. My elbows are bent in a V, so my body's making a W, and I'm holding onto the bar. And you can feel now where my feet are that they're about shoulder width apart, if you want to feel those now. Okay, and I want you to move to my left side and keep one hand on my knee and one hand on my hip, and feel how as I sit back, my hips bend and my left knee's pushing out towards my left toe, and when I get to about a 90-degree angle, and I stand back up. Excellent. I like how your elbows are in a W and that bar is resting on your shoulder blades. They are pinched together very well. I'm going to slide on down. I like how your toes are pointed out to the left and the right respectively. Give yourself a little bit wider of a stance. Now I want you to sit your hips back and bend your knees. All right, keep sitting down, sitting down, sitting down. All right, a little bit lower. Now you're at a 90-degree angle and you're good to stand back up. Excellent.
The skill should increase in difficulty as the athlete progresses.
So you're going to get under the bar. You're going to stand it up, walk back a little bit towards me. Okay, you're now in a good position to squat down to our medicine ball. Good, and then stand back up.
Be patient. It may take several attempts for the athlete to progress in the skill.
Okay, so we are going to try that one more time, and I would just like you to sit your hips back a little bit more so that your weight is on your heels, and you're good to squat straight down, and then stand back up. And let's do that one more time and get your weight on your heels so that you could lift your toes up. Excellent. I liked how on that last one in particular, when you sat down, all your weight was on your heels, so you could lift your toes and move your toes around because your weight was all back on your heels, which is really good. So that was the powerlifting skill of back squat. With good communication and accessible teaching, all powerlifting skills can be made accessible for athletes who are blind or visually impaired.
For more, visit the Sports Adaptations page at www.nwaba.org. Thank you for watching. Slide of NWABA logo.